Singapore is the shopping paradise of Southeast Asia, with a variety of malls to explore. This video will help you discover the top shopping malls in Singapore. Number 5 on our list is Clark Quay. It is a vibrant shopping mall with a variety of stores and eateries. Number 4 is Suntec City. It is an iconic shopping mall with luxurious stores, a fountain of wealth, and a variety of dining options. Number 3 is Great World City. It is a modern mall with a wide range of stores, a movie theater, and plenty of food options. Number 2 is Paragon. It is a luxurious mall with designer stores, a casino, and a range of dining options. And finally, number 1 is the amazing Mustafa Center. It is a 24-hour shopping mall with an array of stores, eateries, and services. So, if you're looking for the best shopping malls in Singapore, these are the ones you should check out.